Hi, today we're going to be talking about foam rolling with the glutes. If you find yourself sitting quite often at work, then this exercise is definitely going to be good for you. First you'll need a foam roller. Just place it on the ground there and start by sitting on it. Place one leg out and the other leg on the knee there. You want to put your hands behind you to stabilize and support yourself, and you're going to roll up and down. You're going to feel the foam roller rolling underneath your bottom. Make sure it gets all the muscle bulk there. Now when you find a tight area, you want to stay on it for a few seconds until you feel it spread and relieve the pressure. If any of these exercises cause you any pain, stop and then seek your health professional. Thank you for watching.